I know a great way to get you into the summertime poolside vibes. It's called Every Time We Forward Fold, We Shimmy. So let's get started. Let's begin at the top of the mat. A nice big wide step, heels in, toes out, like way out. Bend your knees, sink your hips low. Elbows come to the inside of your knees and your hands are at heart center for Malasana Yogi Squat. And just start to rock from foot to foot. Feel that extra stretch in the Achilles tendon when you do that. Moving, having fun. One more moment. Finding some stillness. On an inhale breath, come up halfway, half lift. Turn your toes forward, straighten your legs. Make a number 7 shape with your body. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach and rise all the way up. Exhale, shimmy it down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, Malasana, toes out. Sink your hips low, hands at heart center. Get that Achilles stretch. Start moving, feel the vibes. Finding stillness. And on an inhale, half lift. Straighten your legs, turn your toes forward, come up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach and rise. Exhale, shimmy it down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, Malasana, toes out. Hands at heart center. Rocking from side to side. Feeling good. And stretching the Achilles. Finding some stillness. And inhale, half lift. Toes forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach and rise. Exhale, shimmy it down. Inhale, half lift. Take that one more time on your own. Good, inhale, half lift. This time, exhale, step your left foot back. Inhale, reach up, warrior 1. Exhale, straighten your front leg, shimmy. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, forward fold, step it up. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the right foot back, spin it flat. Inhale up, warrior 1. Exhale, straighten your front leg, shimmy down. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, forward fold. Take that one more time on your own.
Every day we have to sing. Live up a party because we know we must win. Who are test with negative or get a sting. Them kick up a ground, them still a bow to the king. Evil them flat up, that still is controlling. Like them never trust, since I love amazing.
Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach and rise. Exhale, hands, heart center. Good job.